Introducing this sleek 9-inch car stereo system, complete with a special app designed to elevate your in-car experience. When you access the menu, you'll find this unique application that takes your stereo system to the next level. Stick around as I'll be showcasing all the available launchers that come free with this device, and I'll even point out my personal favorite along the way. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more innovative content like this. Let's get started. This car stereo system runs on the Android 13 operating system. Now, let's go over how to check the OS version. Start by opening Settings, then navigate to About Device. Tap on Android version, and if a pop-up window appears, tap on the Android version number. If your device is running Android 13, there's a neat little trick you can try: change the clock to 1 o'clock, representing 13, for the afternoon. You'll then see the Android logo along with some cool decorations. And there you have it. That's how you can confirm your device is on Android 13. This is the theme I use because it's one of the most attractive options available. Plus, it lets you customize the front panel with your favorite apps, so you can easily add apps like this for quick access. On the main screen, you'll also find shortcuts to the FM radio and music player for convenient control. Now, without further delay, let's take a look at the themes available on this device. Head over to the apps and find the Theme app. Just tap on it, and you'll see a wide selection of themes. I'll walk you through each one by one. If you go to the first theme, you can see Bluetooth call option, radio button, access to apps, settings and display on-off button. In the middle, you have the facility to access music, navigation and clock including date and time. Let's move to the next theme. This theme has a classic feel, with a sleek, dark aesthetic that gives it a timeless look. On the front panel, you'll notice easy access to essential controls, including the settings and navigation buttons. You're also provided with quick links to apps, video, radio, call options, and music. And, of course, there's a classic clock display, keeping you updated with the date and time at a glance. Let's move to the next theme. This theme brings a pop of color to your display, creating a vibrant and lively interface. With this theme, you have easy access to essential controls like volume, video apps, settings, and the power button. You'll also find quick shortcuts for the music app, navigation with a built-in speedometer, radio, date and time display, and Bluetooth calling. Let's move to the next theme. Let's move to the next theme. In this theme, you'll notice a digital speedometer that integrates seamlessly with GPS, giving you real-time speed updates. On the right side, you'll find quick access to the music app, Bluetooth calling, and a date and time display. At the bottom of the screen, you have easy navigation to the map, music app, full app gallery, radio, and settings. Let's move to the next theme. This theme offers a simple, no-frills design without any big decorations. On the front panel, you'll find direct access to essential apps like music, video, radio, navigation, Bluetooth, and settings. The main screen prominently displays the time and provides easy access to the music player for a straightforward, functional interface. Let's move to the next theme. This theme includes quick access to the music app, radio, navigation, settings, and a power button. The main screen displays the music player, date, time, and a GPS-supported speedometer. Now, let's move on to the next theme. This next theme has a fresh look, featuring apps like video, settings, Bluetooth, Chrome, and easy access to your app gallery. On the main screen, you'll find maps, radio, and music access. Shall we check out the next theme? I've already covered this one before, it's one of my favorites. I'm actually using this theme myself because of the fantastic features it offers, so I'll skip the details on this one. Now, let's head to the next theme. I will show you the themes one by one and you can understand by looking about the theme. Watch the video. This theme has a special option which was not with others. You can see this navigation gadget. And also you can access to the apps one side like iOS and other side like Android. This is such a kind of a unique theme. Let's move to the next theme.
Date and time there, radio, music, video, Bluetooth, GPS, this is setting, this is for apps. Another theme. This is also an attractive theme. You can access map here. You can see the map navigation. This is for music, this is for Bluetooth connection, this is for radio, and you can sweep for applications. This theme has music, radio, date and time here. This is for navigation, this is for app, video, Bluetooth, settings. Let's move to another theme. This has navigation. You can see GPS speed here, music, Bluetooth, and other applications are also there. You can move to app like this. Let's move to next theme. This theme is different kind of a theme. You can see apps directly here and map, Bluetooth, radio, music there. This is for applications. Let's go and change the theme. This theme has only main applications, time, date and time, maps, unknown. And you can sweep the display to go to apps. Let's move to this theme. This is another neon type of a theme. You can see the music, video, application, radio and settings there. And music play here, and there is a vehicle you can access to map. If you go to applications, you can click here and touch the application. Let's go to next move. Let's see another sports type of a theme. This is the car speed, GPS speed, music there, clock is there, radio, maps, music. You can mute the sound here. You can close the display here. If you want to go to apps, you can see. This theme is like this. You can see clock here, radio, music, maps, Bluetooth, radio, music, applications there. You can access to application from here. This theme another different kind of a theme. You can see the clock is there. This is the speed meter and music player, radio, Bluetooth code. This is for GPS, music and the settings. You can switch for apps. This theme you already know. This one, this is very famous one. Most of Android player has this theme. Let's see. You can see here the music there, Bluetooth access there, GPS speed meter is there, settings, map and the application from here. This is very attractive and user friendly one. Let's go to next theme. This theme also has a different kind of mapping. You can see the speed meter is there, the clock, audio, radio here, music here, Bluetooth here and settings here. If you go to the app, you can touch here and go to the app. Let's move to next theme. This is another kind of theme. There is the date and this is the time, music player, this is navigation. You can see the compass is there, Bluetooth access. You can close the display from here. Settings, I think this must be the app, radio, and I think this may be the map, no, video. This is for video and you can access app here. Let's change that. Which one we were? This, okay. This theme, this is the speedometer. It is a classic one and you can see music player, maps, video, radio, Bluetooth, and you can go to the apps from here. Select theme, okay. This theme has speedometer here, music player, date and time here, Bluetooth, radio, more applications, maps, musics. Let's go to the last theme. Okay. This theme also a sport theme. You can see the clock here, music here, and middle.
And there you have it.
You can access directly.
Those are the
map,
themes
Bluetooth,
available on
radio,
this
music,
9-inch car
video,
stereo system,
settings,
each with its own unique features and style.
These are the default apps.
I hope this
You can
walkthrough
select
helped you
your
find the
favorite
perfect
one,
theme to customize your
but I
setup.
keep this
If you
theme.
enjoyed this video and
Yeah,
found it helpful,
TV,
make sure to
feed,
like,
I have
subscribe,
connected
and hit the
front.
notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching, and as always, be innovative and stay with SetNFix. See you in the next video.